lanterns bright and hearts so brave, we'll explore every corner like knights so suave. We'll follow the stream as it babbles along and build little boats, sing a merry song through tunnels of green and caves so dark. We'll hold hands tight, making our mark. With every step, a new world appears, filled with laughter and sometimes with tears. But together we'll journey